trade you this Wii for your this Pac-Man for my break room in my construction site. That is a deal. Now, give me that Wii. You can have your Mrs. Pac-Man. Now, time to let the go game with this. I will never regret this trade. I so regret this trade. I mean, it's a waste of money. It's just a remote. Anyway, doesn't even work. Can't even press the buttons. It's a keychain too. How dumb was I when I traded Mrs. Pac-Man for this piece of trash? Well, I hope a miracle happens, like how I got that Mrs. Pac-Man.
Special delivery from Master Midget Monkey.
It can't be. I knew miracles do happen. I wonder what this delivery could be.
I can't believe we have to deliver this package. It's such a big package.
Let me help. It's because it's so big.
Okay, don't get ran over again.
Believe this is gonna happen again. I mean, it's like the Mrs. Pac-Man case. I remember when I used to drive this trash truck, when I ran over Foxy, Mario, Savage Rabbit. I wonder what this package could be.
There you go.
It can't be. I am blown away. I finally have the real Wii instead of that cheapy plastic remote. Where did you get this package from?
Got it randomly.
And it's free?
Yep, it's free.
Well, can't wait to open this. Let's go take care of this and find the TV. I finally got the Wii all set up. And now I have this pretty cool remote. Now, right now I'm on the Wii menu. So, I'm thinking about, well, first I'm going to play Wii Sports because that's the only games I have. So, you know, I'm going to go get the disc. I got to go over here. Got to get the disc out. Okay, I got the disc now. Let's put it in. That's technology right there. Wait, a Wii? I haven't seen one in 10 years. How'd you get this Wii? See, I just got it for free. The Moose told me that Human and Plush, Gaming and Plush, gave it to me for free. Well, yeah, he donated it to me. Well, remote. Good thing I got a white one. Just bought it on eBay. Or is that Amazon? I can finally play the Wii all by myself. I can play too. Don't want to play with anyone else. Well, too bad. Well, good thing I get to choose the game. We're going to Wii Sports. Yeah. Wii Sports Resort rules. Sports, Master Midget Monkey, we want resort. Oh, of course, I need to press it. Okay, so we're gonna play some swordplay, Master Midget Monkey. It's coming big. I'm about to build that swordplay. Well, we're going anyway. Alright, it's time for a duel. Now, let's say. Wait, who am I? I'm Mario, right? Master Midget Monkey, you're taking forever. Whoa! Gotta keep going. No! I will get my revenge on you, Master Midget Monkey. I wasn't ready. Okay, here we go again. I sure will. Yay! I won! Yes! This will be a round of fury. There you go, Master Midget Monkey. How cool of you. It's not fair. I can't lose this duel. Round 3. Coming at you, Master Midget Monkey. Go! I dropped my remote! I can't believe this! Little fury. Yay! I have won this round! I'm so proud of myself. Yes! Look at that. Bye-bye, Master Midget Monkey. No! I lost! Wasn't that fun? Now let's find another game. I lost. Just can't believe. Well, anyway, it's my first time playing the Wii. Fire Mario has some experience. Yep, I do. Give me my first play remote. And I guess that's the end of the video. Goodbye.